Hey guys, it's Joshua Baker here. Look what I finally got back from the shop today. This is my 1991 Poulan 2900 farmhand. Got a 20-inch bar on it, 20-inch bar and chain, 46 cc. I actually used it quite a bit today, cut a few pine trees up. Cut down, cut up. Anybody else start it up for you guys? Sorry, turn it over for you guys here. See, look, you can't really read it that well, but it is the Poulan 2900 farmhand right there. That chain will need to be adjusted. Well, that's an actual pull-on bar, 20-inch. I think it's 20 inch. When I first time I was at the shop, they said it was 20 inch. So it's a good little saw. But when I got it, in the first time it ran. Well, the next time I went to go crank it up and it wouldn't start up, so I took the top cover off and I noticed that the fuel line all that broke, so I put in a new fuel line, fuel filter, new carburetor. I tried a kit, but I went a hole, like I said in the 2 other videos. In the second to latest video I posted. Well, I also put in a new spark plug as well. Other than that, it runs real good. I've not had a problem since. So you got the features. Does not have a chain brake yet. I'm going to look at getting one for it. Your kill switch is right here. That's on. That's off. Choke is right here. Cut it in halfway and listen to this. We'll go back in as well. Whenever you press that trigger, press on this thing. They told me it was good. Yeah, it has really good compression. So give me about a bit. I want to tighten up the chain and then I'll start up for you guys. So it'll be a little bit warm, but it's going to be pretty quick cold start because I used it earlier. So let me get the chain tightened up and I'll let you guys hear it. Alright guys, so I'm going to let you guys lay down like that before when I get this thing cranked up for the time being, okay? So once I get this thing cranked up, then I'll show you guys it idling and such. There she goes. Alright guys. Hold up. Sorry you can't see that. but this thing's gonna start right up.